Practicing welding projects as a beginner offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond the immediate satisfaction of creating something tangible. Welding, as a skill, combines artistry with technical know-how, providing a unique avenue for personal and professional development. The process not only fosters creativity, but also enhances problem-solving abilities, increases confidence, and opens up career opportunities. For anyone considering entering the world of welding, embarking on small projects can serve as an invaluable stepping stone. One of the most significant benefits of practicing welding projects is the development of practical skills. Welding requires precision, attention to detail, and a strong understanding of various techniques and materials. As beginners engage in hands-on projects, they learn to manipulate welding equipment, understand the properties of different metals, and apply various welding processes. This practical experience is crucial for building a solid foundation, as it allows individuals to grasp the nuances of welding that are often difficult to convey through theory alone. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of welding project ideas for beginners. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, working on welding projects helps to hone fine motor skills. The act of welding involves steady hands and precise movements, whether maneuvering the welding torch or positioning pieces for assembly. Repeated practice enables beginners to improve their dexterity and coordination, which are essential not only in welding, but in many other trades and crafts as well. This enhancement of motor skills can lead to increased efficiency and effectiveness in future projects, enabling welders to tackle more complex tasks with confidence. Engaging in welding projects also promotes critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Each project presents its own set of challenges that require creative solutions. Beginners may encounter issues such as misaligned pieces, difficulties in achieving proper penetration, or the need to select suitable filler materials. Navigating these challenges encourages individuals to think critically about their approach and adapt their techniques as necessary. This problem-solving mindset is not only beneficial in welding, but is a transferable skill applicable to various aspects of life and work. Welding projects can also foster a sense of accomplishment and boost self-esteem. Completing a project, whether it be a simple metal sculpture or a functional item like a shelf or gate, provides tangible proof of one's abilities. This sense of achievement can be particularly empowering for beginners, who may initially feel intimidated by the complexity of welding. As they progress and see their skills improve, they gain confidence in their capabilities, which can inspire them to take on even more ambitious projects. Additionally, practicing welding can serve as a creative outlet. Many people find joy in creating something from scratch, and welding offers a unique medium for artistic expression. Beginners can experiment with shapes, designs, and finishes, allowing their personalities to shine through their work. This creative aspect not only makes the process enjoyable, but can also lead to the development of a unique style that distinguishes their work from others. The satisfaction derived from turning raw materials into a beautiful or functional piece can be immensely fulfilling. Moreover, welding projects often encourage collaboration and community engagement. Many beginners start their welding journey in classes or workshops, where they can connect with fellow aspiring welders. Working alongside others fosters a sense of camaraderie, as individuals share tips, techniques, and encouragement. This collaborative environment can enhance the learning experience, making it more enjoyable and less isolating. Additionally, participating in community projects or local art installations can provide valuable networking opportunities and exposure to different perspectives within the welding community. The versatility of welding projects is another compelling reason for beginners to practice. Welding is used in various industries, including automotive, construction, art, and manufacturing. By engaging in different types of projects, beginners can explore various applications of welding and discover which areas resonate most with their interests. This versatility can help guide future career choices or hobbies, enabling individuals to align their skills with their passions. Additionally, practicing welding projects can instill a strong understanding of safety protocols and best practices. Welding involves working with high temperatures and potentially hazardous materials, making safety an essential consideration. Through hands-on experience, beginners learn not only how to operate equipment safely, but also how to identify and mitigate risks. This knowledge is crucial for anyone pursuing a career in welding, as safety is paramount in any professional setting. Developing a safety-first mindset early on can prevent accidents and ensure a long and successful career. Furthermore, welding projects can enhance time management skills. Many projects require careful planning, from selecting materials to estimating the time required for each step. Beginners learn to set realistic goals, manage their time effectively, and adhere to deadlines. This ability to plan and execute projects efficiently is an invaluable skill that extends beyond welding and can be applied to various personal and professional endeavors. The financial benefits of practicing welding projects should not be overlooked. As beginners develop their skills, they may find opportunities to create custom pieces for friends, family, or local businesses. This can lead to side income or even the foundation for a small business. The ability to create and sell custom metalwork can be a rewarding way to turn a hobby into a viable source of income. Additionally, the skills acquired through welding can lead to job opportunities in various industries, potentially resulting in a stable and rewarding career path. Engaging in welding projects also allows beginners to explore the world of sustainable practices. Many welders are increasingly focused on using recycled materials and eco-friendly practices in their work. By incorporating sustainability into their projects, beginners can contribute to a more environmentally conscious approach to welding. This awareness not only enhances their skills, but also aligns with a growing trend toward responsible craftsmanship in the industry. As beginners become more comfortable with welding techniques, they can explore increasingly complex projects that challenge their skills and creativity. This progression can keep their interest alive and push them to continuously improve. Tackling more intricate designs or larger projects can provide a sense of excitement and fulfillment, as each completed piece represents both growth and mastery of the craft. This journey of continuous learning is a fundamental aspect of any skilled trade, fostering a commitment to lifelong education and development. Additionally, practicing welding projects can aid in developing a keen eye for detail. Successful welding requires precision, whether in aligning pieces or achieving the right bead size. As beginners work on various projects, they learn to pay close attention to the details that can make or break a weld. This focus on detail not only enhances their welding skills, but also cultivates a broader appreciation for craftsmanship in general, encouraging them to strive for excellence in all their endeavors. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked welding project ideas for beginners. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.